हरे कृष्णा। जैसा कि श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं कि तू सिर्फ मेरा चिंतन कर, फिर तेरी चिंता मैं कर लूँगा। So today through this video I'm going to explain the difference between चिंता and चिंतवन। कैसे भगवान का स्मरण करते रहने से, हर वक्त हर काम में उनको पहले रखने से हम चिंता मुक्त हो जाते हैं। So for this, first of all, we need to understand the difference between Chinta and Chitwan. The energy or the experience associated with both is very different. Worry is negative, uncomfortable, and anxiety driven. That is Chinta. However, Chintwan is positive, calm, and focused. That is thinking. चिंतवन करो, चिंता नहीं। That means don't worry, but think. Thinking is necessary. Worrying is not. Worrying is most times imaginary. जो होता ही नहीं है, हम उसके बारे में बेकार में चिंता करते रहते हैं। Worry is future fearing, based on our wrong assumptions. And only sometimes it can be real, which is more out of concern for a loved one or a real problem at hand. And real worry, if handled well, is momentary. Worry is focused on the problem, whereas thinking helps focus on the solution. So through this, God wants us to focus on solutions rather than problems. चिंता करने से हम हर वक्त प्रॉब्लम को ही अपने फोकस में रखते हैं। एंड वेयर आर फोकस गोज, एनर्जी फ्लोज। जबकि चिंतन करने से हम सरेंडर करते हैं एंड वी टेल गॉड दैट दिस इज माई प्रॉब्लम, नाउ यू टेल मी व्हाट शुड आई फॉलो, विच पाथ शुड आई गो, वेयर इज द सोल्यूशन। सो डज इट मीन एवरी वरी इज मीनिंगलेस? ऑल इमेजिनरी ओवर थिंकिंग रिलेटेड वरीज, future fearing worries, or worries about materialistic things are a waste of time. But any real worry is actually good and a starting point of thinking and working towards a solution. And such a real worry is momentary and only for a short period of time. For example, one should worry about being liberated so that we start working on our spiritual growth. So उस विषय के बारे में सोचना जहाँ हमें रियल सेल्फ की प्राप्ति हो, उसके बारे में वरी करना है। बट टू वरी अबाउट द मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स इज जस्ट अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। हमें क्या सोचना है फिर कि मोक्ष कैसे हो, उसकी चिंता होनी चाहिए। मोक्ष मीन्स लिबरेशन, फ्रीडम, फ्रीडम ऑफ द सोल। ये नहीं कि जीवन जिएंगे और फिर मरेंगे और उसके बाद का भी मोक्ष आएगा। नो, लिविंग योर लाइफ इन ब्लिस 24/7 इज मोक्ष। सो मोक्ष कैसे हो, उसकी चिंता करनी है, तभी अपनी स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ के बारे में सोचना शुरू करेंगे। When we worry about wealth and relationships and future and all those things which are beyond our control, we get lost in the wind of thoughts of our brain. Sri Shankaracharya in Bhaj Govindam says, there is no point of burdening yourself with these worries and anxieties, because these are taken care of by the Creator Himself. A Niyanta or Ordainer know that there is a Creator, one who sustains this creation, and He is the one who actually supports everything. He knows everything, when and what you should receive, even more than you imagine. So we can make efforts towards solving a real worry, but it's important to be aware that we are doing those efforts as an instrument of God, and outcomes of those efforts will be appropriately designed by God. Always remember, करते हो तुम कन्हैया, मेरा नाम हो रहा है. So do what needs to be done, but in the awareness that you are not the doer. भगवान करता धरता है, तो हम क्यों चिंता करें? You are just the puppet in His hands. You are simply a medium. So how to get rid of anxiety driven worries and chinta? How to stop worrying? So the very first key is be in the company of the wise. Be in the company of saints, spiritual masters. Listen to them and you will get solutions to all your problems. Remember, God is the boatman, and when we're sitting in the boat, we know that the boatman will get us across the ocean no matter what. However bigger the storm, when we know who the boatman is, we'll never worry. Whenever you are lost and confused, that's when you remind yourself who is your Karanhar, who's your Kevanhar. Just like for our career, our business, we need a mentor. For life, we need satsang, company of spiritual masters and spiritually evolved souls. So be in the company of wise. Second is take one step at a time to make sure you stop worrying and attain the purpose of your life. Determine this is my last birth and I am taking one step at a time and moving forward. Steps of bhakti, steps of finding satsang and a true guru, steps of surrender, steps of purusharth or efforts, steps of love for God and His creations. And all of these steps will destroy all of our worries. You will be focused on the service of Lord, and this will help you attain liberation. So always work on pleasing God. मुझे धर्म नियम पालने हैं. Always work on growth. ग्रोथ की चिंता करो तो चिंतवन होगा. पुरुषार्थ करो, कर्तापना नहीं. Fulfill your responsibility and surrender everything to God. Every minute use yourself to do something good. But remember, God is doing. You are not. God says, तू मेरे नाम मुश्किल तो मैं तेरे काम को अंजाम तक पहुंचाऊंगा. अगर तू तेरे काम में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ में इतना लॉस्ट हो जाए कि मुझे भूल जाए तो मैं अपने धाम में ही रहूँगा, तेरे पास नहीं आऊँगा. So remember that only with the grace of God we have been blessed to get the company of the wise, satsang, spiritual masters. Let's do enough purusharth to be in their company and live a worthy, free, liberated life. So, श्री कृष्ण की माने आप सिर्फ उनका चिंतन करें, फिर आपकी चिंता वो खुद ही कर लेंगे. हरे कृष्णा.